We'd add fuel to the fire. And yeah, imagine if we had the just denial. All of the days of virtue and honor, Christ that we fought for, thrown on the wall, and it never be said that we truly learned from darker days. We learned from darker days. We go searching for handheld justice. That's what they want. So keep on fighting, keep on striving. We'll all find comfort when kingdom come. Pressure, it keeps rolling off my shoulders from my